Hi guys, we will show you how to replace the engine air filter in Toyota Camry. First we will partially remove this wiring. For this you have to lift this ton up and then it will come out. Same idea over here, lift it and pull. Now it's loose. Now we have to disconnect these two and we'll be able to lift and pull to the left. Now we can take out the engine air filter, and this is how it looks, guys. Install the new one the same way, put it in carefully, make sure that it goes in all the way. Now we need to make sure that these two pins go in place. I'll show you guys again. This is how they're supposed to be. And now you can lock the cover on this side and right here. And in the end, don't forget to install the wiring. That's it. The filter replacement is complete.